Are you a backend engineer looking to build technology that makes a real-world impact? Welcome to Clipboard Health, where we're on a mission to lift people up the socioeconomic ladder by reshaping how healthcare staffing works across the United States. We connect healthcare professionals with open shifts through a powerful, app-based marketplace, turning their extra time and ambition into opportunity. Whether it's a nurse looking to pick up an extra shift, or a facility struggling to fill a critical staffing gap, we make the match in minutes, not days. We're a fast-growing Series C company, named a Y Combinator top company, with a fully remote team of over 600 people. We've been profitable since 2022 and fill millions of shifts every year. Thousands of nurses and healthcare workers depend on us, and we're just getting started. And now, we're hiring talented backend software engineers to help us grow even faster. This is a remote role, open to engineers based in the US, with a highly competitive total compensation package ranging from $200,000 to $400,000 annually. At Clipboard, you won't just write code, you'll own it. From designing and building backend services using Node.js and Nest.js, to integrating with databases like Postgres, MongoDB, and Redis, you'll be part of a team that delivers fast, reliable features at scale. You'll contribute to both web and mobile applications using React, TypeScript, Flutter, and Dart, and collaborate with our developer experience team to improve the tools and libraries that power our engineering organization. Here, engineers are trusted to lead, owning their code from development and testing to deployment and ongoing support. We use trunk-based development, automated regression testing, and short-lived feature branches to move quickly and safely. You'll also have the opportunity to interact directly with product managers and, at times, even our customers, so your code solves real-world problems that actually matter. We're looking for experienced developers who thrive in low-structure, high-ownership environments. You should be comfortable with service integration testing, cloud deployment on AWS, and writing clear, well-documented code. You'll also participate in on-call rotation, because the systems you build are the ones you'll help support. At Clipboard, we don't just value technical skill, we value clarity, communication, and a genuine desire to make things better. We believe feedback is a gift, and we create space for growth, experimentation, and bold ideas. So, why join us? Because here, your work has tangible impact. Because our remote-first culture supports real flexibility. Because we're growing fast, and we need passionate engineers to help scale both our systems and our mission. If you're ready to build meaningful technology that supports the backbone of healthcare, apply now and help us shape the future, one shift at a time.